don't want to get shot at. I'll just get to the outpost. It'll be fine. That was a bad idea. I don't know how, but I'm saving it. It's not fine. I'm at an island. I saw that there was some stuff on the beach over here. Maybe a barrel. Bunch of chickens on storage crate. See, this I can work with. Jack up a chicken. Don't eat raw chicken. What? Good. I don't know if that's a ghost ship or if that's a skeleton ship. Next to the ghost ships, I'm gonna have to fight everyone. I think I'm gonna have to fight everyone because if that guy shoots at me, I'm F. This is one of those things I will turn around for. I will go down south for my emissary. I don't want to get shot at. Come on. Oh, he's lining up for me. That's what's happening. I'm running anyways. I hope this works. Because I'm going to be in some real trouble if they start shooting back. I got to keep them off the cannons. Oh my god, they are shooting back. It's not that I didn't think they would, it's that I thought I'd have a little more time. I don't. I do not have more time. That was a bad idea. Oh my god, stop poking holes in my boat. They dropped my anchor. They got my anchor that time. Don't groan, don't groan. I actually have a lot of stuff now that I do want to keep. This will matter. Holy crap. Oh my god, that was a big one. Stop it. Where did that one come from? It's the same one. It's just good. Oh my god, I'm about to death drone. Saving it. I don't know how, but I'm saving it. I have to get back on this. Oh, no, I lost it. He's gone. How far from the outpost am I? Oh my god, I just barely passed the outpost. That's where I was trying to go. I was like, oh, I'll just get to the outpost. It'll be fine. It's not fine.